Well, hello web travelers, this is Steve of the Desert Wasteland. Today is Christmas Eve 2015, and look at, we have, the snow's been falling for hours. Look at this. I can't go anywhere in this. My trip is canceled. Look at my parking lot. No, I have to just stay home. I can't go anyplace. It's been snowing for hours. Look at that. Look at the, you know, an old truck with balding tires in front. It's even sticking to the trees. Look. It's about almost 10 o'clock in the morning. There's not much light. Oh, but the snow, it's below freezing point, so it's 27 degrees. Oh, it's warm in here though. And you know, I haven't burned the heat since about 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's been staying in. So that's okay. The Christmas tree still twinkles away as the snow falls outside through the window. How about that, huh? Oh, you people back east in New England, I know, get gigantic snow, but still it's snow wherever you are. And to drive in it is a bitch, and it's not something that somebody like me with foot problems going around hydroplaning, you know, because my truck doesn't have anything in the bed, so it hydroplane, you know, the weight's all in the front. Man, I just couldn't afford to buy the spares. I mean, the retreads, at least for the front, with all my money problems. So anyway, so it's nearly 10 o'clock on December 24, 2015, and I'm in the house with my putty cat. Want to meow for them? She always does it, doesn't she? And we got some beans on the stove. The chili pepper in there with some bacon bits and onion and garlic. And it's just plain old pinto beans, but they're real good cooked that way. Let me tell you, you can't just stop eating those beans if you're a bean person. No, they don't make you fart. If you soak them long enough, the gases release. So here's my bedroom, and she's waiting in here for me to come lay down, but I'm not. I can't lay down with you, okay? Yeah, I got things to do. Aren't you just the cutest little cat? And I can see this sit here and stew about this falling snow outside through my bedroom window. It is still falling. So it looks like, little devil, you. When a cat shows you its belly, it trusts you. Not very many cats let you scratch their bellies, and when they allow you to scratch their bellies, that means they love you and they trust you. Always remember that. That's cat lore. That's something that you just know and learn when you have cats all your life. And by the way, they've got plenty of dry food here. They've got meow mix with soft centers, you know, so they've got goodies to eat, but not enough wet food, I'm afraid. Look, 2, 4, 6, 8 cans left. I'll worry about, I'm not letting bullshit spoil the holiday, which only comes once a year, okay? Only once a year. So that is the deal for today, for December 24th, 2015. My plans have been dashed, and the snow is still coming down. Let's see, let's take a look over here. The tree has got, hope those branches don't break. Somebody's pulling over to the side there. It's really hard to drive in that. if you don't have a good four-wheel drive or a good vehicle. So that's the way it is here in Reno on December 24th, 2015, as I've said 3 or 4 times. Happy holidays. More videos to come. Signing off.